Hi, I'm here at Alantz. I'm here to check out their LED fluted walls. So usually for featured walls, we know there's laminate and there's veneer and there's normal just fluted panels. But here we have LED fluted panel wall. And let's check out some of the other walls they have. Money face, the stars, blinking lights. Another one featured wall here. Hi, Cliff.
Hey, hi. This one are all our Starlight fluted wall panel.
Right.
For our Starlight fluted wall panel, right, all these are customizable, and then we are using LED. So whichever design or color that you wanted, right, you can custom to your needs.
Okay.
And then for this feature wall, right, basically whichever length that you wanted, we can customize it. There's different various colors, and then for this particular thing, right, you will be given remote. Whether you want to dim it or brighten it, you can use the settings to set the ambience that you wanted. For this one, we are using Bamboo Fibre panel. Bamboo Fibre panel, they are both durable, anti-mold and water resistance.
Oh, okay. How long will it last usually?
The LED, right, is 50,000 hours. So 50,000 hours, right, if you are using for 6 hours per day, right, it can last you for 22 years.
22 years? That's
Yes,
pretty long,
22
right?
years. For us over here, right, we don't just sell the panel, we do a supply and install. Meaning to say, right, we can do an on-site measurement, then custom to the design that you wanted, because there's a lot of wiring involved. We need to do a pelmet out. After that, in our in-house factory, right, we do the fabrication, testing before we bring to site for installation.
So everything is done here, and then after that you'll bring to the house
Yes.
to install.
Yes.
And it's not like the usual one where you just stick it on.
No, not like the usual one, because a lot of customers mistaken that, hey, fluted wall panel you just stick on, so it should be very cheap. No, it's a different thing altogether. You've heard of wall panel, fluted wall panel, but this is LED fluted wall panel, and it's customizable. A lot of customer or clients, right, when they install this kind of thing, they say, hey, what if the LED spoil or the driver not working?
Right.
We are very concerned about longevity. So you want to install a wall panel that can last you for at least minimum 10 years.
Yeah, that's right.
So for the diodes, we are using the high-end quality one. They can last you very long. Then for the driver, right, we insist on using either Philips or Minwell. Those are the trusted brand. They can last you for 10 over years. For the drivers, right, we always put at the last panel, which is removable. So all these, right, is installed individually and removable, not based on whereby you cannot remove. On top of that, right, other than this design we call this a shooting star design. We have a few other ready package because this is customizable. Just now when you come in, right, you saw the diamond, the smiley face. Even if you want to do a big coin logo, we can also do that.
So as long as I come up with a design for y'all,
Yes.
y'all can custom make everything.
Our lead time, right, for ready colors, right, 7 days. From the confirmation of the colors within 7 days, we can do it.
I think we also can let our audience, I mean since you're here,
Yeah,
we can
yeah,
let our audience like, you know, have a look around.
Usually, right, when you engage a carpenter, right, the carpenter will always bring all the machine down there, then you cut, then you do a whole mess. So we want the client or customer to feel that it's not very messy to engage us. Then everything has been tested before we go over to your site.
Because usually when we do carpentry work, right, the whole house will be messy, like maybe for one whole week. But for y'all, you're doing everything on site first. Then that means you have to take all the measurements.
Fabrication, measurement, everything, test, mock out. So we do the mock out everything here. So once everything is ready, tested, then we go on site, right? Basically take 2 days. First day is we do all the pelmet. Second day we do the installation and the final testing. So it's very fast.
Yeah, so the actual installation takes only 2 days.
Yes, the actual installation takes only 2 days because we have an in-house carpentry which is at the back of our warehouse.
Can we check out your
Sure,
place?
why not? I just show you around behind. Yeah,
Right,
over here. Yeah, so over here, right, is where we do our all the non-so glamorous thing lah. That means we do the cutting, the testing, everything. Imagine this is the wall, right? We'll do a pelmet out with about 3 inch. So we'll cut to size, do the wiring. After that, right, we will mount it, which is a mock-up for the actual site. Then test all the wiring, make sure it's working. We dismantle and then we pack everything, right, and then go to the site to install. Because of the customization, right, that's why we also have a diamond shape custom for our Alantz.
During our intro, we saw a very nice customized feature wall. Maybe you can go back there
sure.
again.
I'll show you in front. Yeah, it's a welcome feature wall. It's in a diamond shape with our company name over here lah. And then for your viewers, if they happen to view it, today we also came up with a promotion for any packages that your viewer is interested in. So long they show this video, you can get a $188 discount off the total package.
How long will this deal last?
This one will last until the end of July 2025.
I mean, if you guys have already watched this video, and then come down, have a look,
Yes.
and then talk to Cliff or talk to one of the staff.
Yes.
And we're going to leave a lot of the details and the captions below, so check out Alantz Starlight. And
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.